my birthday, bitch. By the time y'all see this, it won't be my birthday no more. But as the time we recording it, you know how I do, man. Chevy sounded good, dog. Yes, sir. I'm a little scanner running here, man. I think these codes I gotta take out because I don't got no mass airflow, no fuel level sensor, and I ain't got no transmission sensor to measure that. So that's them codes that gotta be turned off. My dog, shout out to Hellboy Performance, man. He I put like an Instagram video, bro, and he was like, hey, he noticed something like over here. It was like, I think it was like my intake air temperature was like negative something, negative 40. And basically, I guess when it's negative 40 or like something like that, even though I don't have an intake air temperature sensor, the computer sees it as negative 40 and they be dumping fuel trying to start that hole. I think that's why in the beginning I didn't really have no issues trying to damn start that bit because it started up because it was dumping fuel. However, yeah. But yeah, man, he seen the video and he was like, hey man, your intake air temperature like negative 40, dog. That bitch dumping fuel. You know what I'm saying? He was like, hey man, you're gonna have to go into the tune and change that, man. So he gave me the game on that. Also was telling me about the real-time tuning, man. I told him, like, yeah, man, I'm trying to, trying to baby step my way off into the tuning shit, man. Get a real good understanding of everything. So, yeah. But yeah, man, I got her idled up, I think, I went to the special functions. Like I was telling y'all in the other video, man, I wanted to bump up the idle so that compressor don't really put a load on. Like if I turn the idle control off, like it dropped down to like 690, like right there under, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I might not even have to go all the way. I could probably go like 750 and it still be like okay, but not too high. You know what I'm saying? So 750, and then when the compressor kick on, if I look into my tune, let's see. If I look into my tune, idle, base set point. So it's pretty much at in gear. It's at like 800, well, depending upon the temperature. Like it dropped down to like 650, over 111 degrees. So this is pretty much gonna be like your operating range right here. So in gear, where do you want it? Park neutral, where you want it. So 650, I mean, I'll probably just bring all that shit up to 750 there and do that. But yeah, man, shout out to Hellboy Performance, man. Like, I want to get to that level. I mean, I'm kind of to that level in some aspects of it, but man, to, just see something and be like, hey, man, I know that that's not right, and be able to, like, pick it, be like, hey, I know that's not right, you know what I'm saying? I can fix it. This is how I fix it. But yeah, man, as you can see, like I said, don't pay no attention to the O2 sensor because this is speed density. It's not no short-term, long-term fuel trends on this thing here. But yeah, what else was I going to do? The transmission, fuel system. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS7R254, man, and I just had to flex my hack game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. So the following message has been brought to you by LSJRod254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jam-A-Lot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Chevy Rider or Caprice today. Yeah, man. But yeah, my goal is, man, to get pretty nice with this, be able to tune, and go from there. Like I said, I'm practicing. I can already do the simple shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, got baby running. Look, AC jerk right there. You know what I'm saying? Let me get the thermometer gauge, man. Let y'all see what we working with on the tip, man. But she good. She sounding good, running good. We gaining knowledge. Gonna get ready to take her out in a minute. Copyright, nigga. Alright, turn it off. So as you can see, AC nice and crispy. I'm trying to get it in the vent. So yeah, man, AC blowing. Went ahead and got the music hooked up, man. I can't turn that shit up in front of the house, nigga. The wife home. I did it earlier. She was like, "Are you trying to get the cops called on you today?" Oh yeah, I set the dash pad on that, man. That ain't the one I redid. That's the one I spent $100 on some years ago. So I figured, shit, I might as well just use this bitch. Like, why would I spend $100 on the dash pad and not use it? Like I said, I still plan to rework that other one, but yeah. Oh yeah, got a seatbelt in there. Just one seatbelt. That's just me now. One deep. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Like, you can control that stuff. But yeah, man, shout out to Hellboy Performance one more time, man. He was showing me about the real-time tuning and how you can make adjustments. How to actually put it in the speed density, even though this car is set up as a speed density, it actually wasn't. It wasn't like a speed density. I mean, it could have been because it was disabled and some more stuff. So I mean, you just gotta be careful, man, who you fooling with. And actually, I think this is one of the parts where I was saying, he was telling me, you know what I'm saying. So at idle, man, that's a lot of damn fuel. So I believe, let me see. Hold on, let me go back over here. Again. So yeah, let me show y'all what I learned from Hellboy, man. I want to turn off the fast idle though. Alright. No, off, bitch. Alright, so now it's idling off the table. So, but you will see it's 68. So I'm guessing the 68 is like the percentage of fuel. I'm not exactly sure. That's why I said I'm finna get off of that shit. But pretty much he was telling me like I could drop that shit to like 45, 48, and like you can see like where they're highlighted. You know what I'm saying? That's where it like kind of operates at. So it's kind of jumping between those two. But as you can see, like, I mean, I dropped it down that low, but it ain't actually I mean, it's still running. It's still running sounding good. So, but now we just not using as much fuel. So that's definitely a way to go. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is the meat and potatoes. This is what your boy finna get good at. And yeah, now that the box is, you know what I'm saying, doing what it's supposed to do. So that's gonna wrap this video up, man. I'm gonna get ready to go live. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all live from the box on my birthday, and that's what I'm gonna do. But this video won't come out till like afterwards. So yeah.